All right. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Dr. Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University, and we are in the midst of our Forex Power Traders Scalpers Club for the 1st of April 2025. And my name is Bill Gates. No, April Fools. No, my name is Dr. Greg McLeod. So glad to have you here. And if you're watching on YouTube, you are watching a delayed transmission of our scalpers, uh, our trading club, our Forex Power Traders Scalping Club, and it's so those who are subscribers are in the room in real time, and so you may be maybe a minute or 2 minutes behind, which means a whole lot, right? Because if you are late to the market, you wind up losing money, right? So this is more of a service to kind of like show you what we do in real time. And if you're interested in joining us, then you can just type in the chat box, "Hey, I want to join," and and I can reach out to you. You can reach out to me at Greg at EliteTradersU.com, and I'll give you information for contacting me and getting if you would like to join our in person studio. No, not in person, but in our Zoom room where you'll have a real-time access. Okay. So let's get, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And let me go ahead and greet we have Kenneth and Alfonso is here. And let me see. Let me just check because I did put an invitation for people to join. But if they don't click the invitation, then they probably will not be in the room. So I want to make sure that they are in the room. So let me get a quick check to see, you know, I'm looking for Babatunde to see if he uh, has joined us and anyone else that might be left outside, so in the community. So let me go see and give me a moment. And I hope you guys are doing great. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Tuesday. Uh, haven't seen you guys this last month. We had a great challenge, a great Forex scalping challenge. And let me see our manager community. And we have four members. And yeah, they're all okay. Fantastic. Yeah, great. All right, all right, all right. And we're actually going to be using MT4 this time. So I'm going to share my screen, share screen two, and we'll show you how I set up my. I'm also using the broker I use is Ox Trade. If you like a link on that and how to get access to Ox Trade, we 400 to 1, good leverage, and we're going to go ahead and set up our charts, right? And I'm going to set up some charts here. I'm going to get rid of a couple of these charts. Okay. We're going to like do it this way, right? All right. Want it the other way around. Okay, no worries. We'll make that the 5. We'll make that the 30, right? All right. And I've got some things going on here. So we got the 5-minute chart, dollar yen. We're going to go to my market heat map, the arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. And we're going to do a quick rundown of the market using our checklist. If you're interested in the checklist, make sure you type in checklist in the box and I can get that out to you. So let's go ahead and look at my market heat map. I created my market heat map as an easy way to find out what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping in the market. Tells me what's moving, what's shaking. So I'm going to start with my major currency pairs, and we can see that everything's kind of moved in the gray. Maybe Aussie dollar is down. It's in 0.10%. Dollar CAD, US dollar, and the dollar pairs seem to be dominating, but it's still kind of early yet in Asia, and Tokyo, it's 10:35. They don't have daylight savings time, so let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at all Forex pairs and see what's going on there. and we can see everything is gray, with some of the yen pairs at the top of the list, and now they are moving. Okay, we have our, seems like dollar seems to be trying to, Kiwi yen is looking pretty spicy right there too. Let's go ahead and check the news in my market heat map. We also have access to news, and let's see there. We've got Forex news stream, and we have some about Melania Trump, NASDAQ 100 bearish move materialize. How low can it go? Brent oil volatile ahead as oil breaks above 100-day moving average, right? And several federal agencies launched a new deferred resignation effort to encourage workers to leave their jobs. Tariffs fuel manufacturing contracts again. Okay. And then dollar yen analysis, yen rebounds as tariff fears mount. Okay. And then Aussie dollar, RBA holds as inflation risks keep rate cuts in check. The Reserve Bank of Australia remains cautious on Australia's inflation outlook. So, that could be positive for Aussie dollar. And then we have some gold, and we have spot gold prices jump to a new all-time high, reaching $3,149 per ounce, the highest in history of gold bullion price, highest in history, before stabilizing around 3,127 per ounce at the time of this writing, which hits our target, which we wrote the Gold Rush blueprint, and we talked about that as well. We can take a look at gold too. At these all-time highs, sometimes when things go to all-time highs, they like to retrace, right? So here is our gold on the 5 minute, and looks like we've got a little bit of a maybe a little bit of a sell-off, maybe after a big run to all new highs, right? And so we've got some resistance at the 31, 35, 50 area, right? And maybe we would let's see if what if we ventured a short, right? I got short at 312998, and so I needed $62.60 in margin there, right? And then I'm gonna move my stop above the high. The high is 3135.32, and maybe I go to 3137.85, right? And then maybe look for a drop to maybe the lows here. There's a bunch of congestion right here in the 3112 area. So let's see if we our first trade of the month, April 1st, on our inaugural flight of the Forex Power Traders Club. And so we are looking at short on gold again. Short at 31.29, stop loss at 31.37.85, take profit 31.12.88. So that's the story. I'm going to stick with it, right? Awesome. Okay, I'll give you that checklist. I'll drop it in the you'll find it in our group chat after the end of the program. Okay. Awesome. And let me make sure you can mention each other. How you guys doing? Tap on like a number 1 in the chat box if you can hear my voice. You can see my screen. Now, as slow as the internet is, the trade probably got sent out to YouTube people. It's already moving already, right? So let's see. We're down about $2.58, but let's see if that holds. We were going to check out on Kiwi yen because that was at the top of the heat map and it was doing rather well. See if we can get maybe a pullback, maybe a way we can get into that trade, right? It is pulling back, but maybe pulling back. Thank you, Kenneth. So glad to see you guys in the room, and some others had some appointments they had to get to, so they'll probably see them tomorrow. This is the Kiwi yen. We got an uptrend, but it looks like it's already kind of played out already, right? And we can just go through the currency pairs. We can take a look at dollar Swiss and take a look there. Um, because that's a 30-minute chart. And let's go to the pound dollar. Pound dollar looks like it's setting up. It looks like it's kind of setting up for something, you know, something in the 30-minute chart. Let's chop that down on the 5-minute chart. Let's here's the here's that pesky pound dollar, and our 5-minute chart. Let's walk it through there. And the 5-minute chart looks kind of healthy, kind of tasty too, right? So I might put a 0.1 on that. And we kind of missed our entry. We got 20 75 20 290.75, and we're at 209. I'm sorry, 209.07. So we're able to kind of move 7 pips out of the way. Let's stick with just finding something that is clever. This one's Euro looks kind of clever there. And wow. And the Euro is already taken off, right? Let's see if we get a pullback. Maybe we can get in there. We already kind of like missed our entry. We had a nice entry there. Um, Still, I'm trying to play a little more conservative. Uh, let's see if we get a bit of a pullback, maybe, and that would be kind of tasty to look at too. Uh, dollar yen, dollar yen's always been playing games with all kinds of stuff going on. Dollar CAD, looking for that setup, that perfect setup that we're been so used to. And here's Aussie dollar. It is, I mean, left our entry was there and it already took off already. So we missed that train. Pound, Euro pound. Take a look there. Euro pound, let's say it might have some more to go to the downside, but Euro Aussie, the nice sell off. Missed that, baby. That was a nice train left the station there. Euro Swiss. Well, don't worry, we're going to start earlier tomorrow. I know I have the coaching session on Tuesdays. So, like when we start, like around 7 p.m. Eastern time, we'll probably catch some of these uh, better tomorrow. We should start a little earlier. All right, got a big long wick against the trend. Euro Swiss, lots of chop. Don't like that. Euro yen. Let's look through that. Lots of garbage in there. But if we did break out, it would be nice if we got some type of a move above 61.73. We got like a box right there. And see the box. So we're locked in the box. So we haven't broken out of it. So we leave it alone. Pound Swiss looks kind of tasty. Looks kind of. I've been burned by pound Swiss before, but let's got a little bit of a 16 by 15. We're below the moving average. It's kind of red. I think not. We're kind of like sandwiched between moving averages, and so I'm going to leave that one alone. Our our gold is moving in the right direction, right? And I actually took gold on well, 645. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I actually took gold on a short during our coaching session, and let's see how that is actually doing. I actually did it in TradingView. It looks like we were making a little bit of money. Let's do. Um, Forex majors, gold, and super charts. Still waiting for that baby to go short. Okay, CAD yen. This is CAD yen. CAD yen. Wow, a lot of chop. We're kind of stuck in a box right there. And what we can do when stuff is stuck in a box, we can place an alert by right-clicking the chart. We're going to add an alert above, add an alert below. And once it breaks out of the box, well, then they'll tell us where to go, right? Right now, it's a kind of a puzzle there. And looks like gold maybe heading back up a little bit. Here is pound yen. And we have lots of support lines there. We do have a downward trend line, which we broke. You know, I'm going to take a shot at pound yen long at 193.51, and I'm going to look for a move back up to 192, 193.69, right? So I'm at 193.51, take profit 193.69, and we will put a stop loss in that, and we want to have that maybe at say 193.30, right? I guess about 20 pip stop, right? When in doubt, put a 20 pip stop on that. What is the profit target? Again, the target is 193.69. Are you talking about the pound yen? Or were you talking about gold? Not, not sure where we Babatunde. Yeah. So like tell me like what is your profit target on? And then because I'm taking a couple of trades on gold. Okay. Gold take profit on the short. Take profit is 3,112.88. 3112.88. Yeah, we're kind of taking a little counter trend move on gold, and it's down right now. We can take a quick peek at it, see if how it's cooking. It looks like it's still cooking north. We got a bullish candle. Now let's see what comes up after that. We get another candle at 9:49 now. We get another 5-minute candle in 5 minutes, right? So that'll be 9:55 Eastern time. And we're in the profit on the pound yen trade. We got long at 193.51, stop loss at 193.30, take profit 193.69. So we'll see how that turns up. Gold 3,000 all-time highs. It came off of the all-time highs, and we had a high of 3,149.50. So we'll see if we'll get a little bit of a retrace against these all-time highs. Sometimes there's some profit taking. See if we get a pullback. We're down about $6 in there, but our pound yen trade is looking beautiful. Oh, I don't want to do anything with it. I just want to take a look at it. Right. So here, we have nice uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. And we could take a Fibonacci expansion off the high, off the low here. We can click that and maybe take this high and this low together. And we would have Fibonacci expansion. 100% expansion is right in that vicinity of the 193.69 area. We're close up to $3 there. Pound yen, pound yen's a friend. And ideally, I like this, target. Really, we could go at 193.77, which is the 127% expansion. Let's just see how fast we go. We're close up to $4. And I surmise that the gold would roll over and die once it's really fast, once it starts moving. Platform is flashing green. And so that's kind of a sign that we're coming close to our profit target, right? We're up $6. All right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're up $8. There we go. Trend line break, color change. We had an alarm that went off. So some things are moving. They were stacking green candles. Very close to that 100% expansion, and I might just take that $8.54 right here, right? Eight. I just went in and closed it out, took the $8, right? So that's what we're talking about mentorship. If it takes a long time, you start seeing the same price over and over again. 850, 850, 850, 834, $7, $8. It could be a chance for this to roll over and and take a bath, right? I heard an alarm. Let's see where that alarm came from. Alerts, CAD yen. Oh, cancel. I have to go CAD yen this way. Yeah. Okay, CAD yen was about to break out of the box. It barely broke out of the box and the alarm went off. Let's just go back. Let's check on gold. So we actually got a couple of green candles here. Let's see if we get a break below the trend line. That's where we got long or got short. We got short. And we're looking for a price to break this trend line and cascade down. And once it does start cascading down, we can probably add some more orders to it. Right. So we just try to just waiting for that setup, waiting for that sweet stuff, that sweet setup that we're looking for. And hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great out there in YouTube world. And you guys are probably delayed by a few minutes. And with the markets moving as fast as they are, every minute counts. So if you want to be with me live, then make sure that you reach out to me at greg@elitetraders.com and I can send you invite. You can be a subscriber to our real-time service, a real-time trading service where you can trade with me Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, for 2 hours. And we trade the Asia session. And so, this is the best session for US people. Why? It's after your job, it's after you eat dinner, it's after the kids go to bed, the wife is in the bed, and guess what? You can turn on the computer at 10 o'clock and make some money, right? So if you'd like to join me, I'm gonna put my email on the screen so you can actually uh, reach out to me and at greg@elitetradersu.com, right? And I'll give you a subscriber link, right? It's $97. That's $97 you ever spend, right? So we just got out of the pound yen trade, and it was a quick $8.54. Okay. Now we're just getting warmed up. This is Asia session, and we've got about a minute countdown before we get our next candle. Our next 5-minute candle on gold should be a pretty exciting candle. And let me move my name somewhere else. Hi. There we go. Here we go. Trade with Greg. greg@elitetraders.com. That too. All right. 7 o'clock, or no, it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock Eastern time, 7 o'clock Pacific time, right? Got a new candle. New candle is green. That we really want. It's a small body candle, green, and we are not as negative as we were. We're still negative. Looking for a rundown. Maybe this is our A, B, C later move. And if we get a Fibonacci projection on that, if we don't make a new high or get higher than that, we're playing the contrarian here. It's like gold has hit an all-time high, but sometimes after all-time highs, there is some type of a profit-taking ABC decline. 100% expansion would take us to 3127 spot 35. But we could probably go all the way back to the old lows back here, 3,110.10, right? And so our oscillators are looking like they want to roll over. Our higher time frame looks like it wants to roll over, but it's not over till it's over, right? So, but I just want all I want to do is this, Let's push it out the window, right? Right. But it was just, just wanted to just dive, right? But it's still hanging in there. I'm gonna set an alert or an alarm right here, trading alert, and if something happens, we'll come back to that. Let's go see if we can. Let's check out pound yen again. Pound yen is always good for some giggles and fun, right? This is our pound yen, and it looks like it wants to roll over too. It's kind of like gold. It's kind of like corrective move wants to dive and drop, but it's not there yet. It's not soup yet. Let's just keep going, keep pushing through the Aussie Kiwi looks interesting. We got a nice little looks like the trainer left the station there. It was pretty good. Aussie CAD looks pretty good too. CAD, but yeah, train really left the station. Missed that one. All right, Aussie Swiss. Missed that one. Aussie was on fire. Look at that. Oh, Aussie yen looks like but it looks like we've got it. Yeah, we missed that. That was pretty good. Pretty good run. Nice run from 94.01, 25 pip move. Okay. Swiss yen probably did the same thing. Bank of Japan probably does that. Let's just sell the yen. But I would look at maybe this thing might drop. I'm gonna put my predictive functions like saying me, hey, this thing could drop. Euro Kiwi's already going for, wow, just going straight down. Look at that. This didn't even come up for air. Yeah, I mean, your entry was a double top. Missed that. Oh well. Move on to the next one. Euro CAD. Euro CAD looks like it wants to go up in the way, right? Yeah, I like Euro CAD. I'm gonna take it. Euro CAD long. I'm long at 154.40, right? Stop loss. Why? I mean, I'm really close to a floor down here, like at 154.22, something like 12 pips. And I'm looking for a move. I'm gonna use my look at let's see if we can get up to 54.58. Okay. So long Euro CAD, I'm long at 1.5440. Stop loss at 1.5422. Take profit 1.5458. Okay. So we'll see if we get a rebound, and I even think we might go a little higher, but you get $13 might not be a bad take, right? And I'm at Euro CAD down the list, but let me go back to gold. Still nursing that baby, looking for it to roll over, but we're back in the negative $8, and we're still waiting for a looks like we're gonna roll over. Probably got another 5 minute new 5 minute candle was bullish. Another green candle, right? And again, we're looking for this to roll over, break our trend line, and drop. Struggling against the old high, and we're down about $9.58. $10. Again, we have the old high. It might even go to a double top. A double top is 313529. Oh, and we're there. Yeah, our stop is 313740. We have a definitive double top. It'll be interesting to see if we stack a new candle on top or if we break. That's the says he who picks tops has a smelly finger, right? Or sticky finger. You pick bottoms, you have a smelly finger. Okay, 31, 34, 46. Looking for that drop. We got a nice double top. If it holds, we're down about $9 and or $8.36. We're also long Euro CAD. Long Euro CAD at one spot 5440. Stop loss at one spot 5422. Take profit at one spot 5458. Again, if we get a nice juicy red candle after this current green candle here, we get a nice juicy red candle. That's going to be really, really good for our trade. They're trying really hard to push it, but the double top don't stop, right? Now we're only down $5.42, $5.16, right? I'm going to change this position size. So I might want to add some more to my I might want to add some more to my position there. Once I get confirmation, 0.02. Yeah, watch your position size on gold. You hit the wrong button and you're trading way too much, right? Oh, we're positive on our Euro CAD trade. Here you go. All right. Go ahead, Euro CAD. You go on with your bad self. Yeah, I'm missing my color changing moving average. And let's see if I can find it. Color changing moving average. It's not called color changing moving average. It's called something else. Yeah, that's going to be two. Let's leave it at 15 or maybe 20, 21, 21. 21 is a good one. Right. There's our 21 period moving average. We got a red candle, guys. I'm adding another one. I'll put another rib on the grill. So I'm short again at the spread so wide. It has me short at 31.3294. And I'm going to look for a move down to the 1.618. This is a $20 move right here. $20 move for my second position would be 31.2260. 31.2260 on the second position. And if this red candle on the 5-minute below the our TSR indicator, it's giving us a red signal there. Color change, trend line break. We should see a precipitous drop, right? And if we don't, we can help it out with a right.
Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. Don't buy. Don't buy.
Let's go. Let's drop. Let's pop and drop. You know, maybe we get like a 10:30 candle run, and that'd be pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. We closed one trade out. Our pound yen was mission accomplished. Pretty fast, pretty quick. We got Euro CAD that is long. It's down about 70 cents. Just getting started. Our goal, 31.3268. Just peeking its head beyond the trend line. And we're looking for prices to drop. Oh, EuroCAD is having a little spaz right now. Now, our second goal position is in the money. It's just a little bit, 34 cents. But if it starts moving positively in that direction, then our other trade that's only down 5.46, it was down as much as $10, and now it's moving in our direction as well. We've got about 2 minutes before the next 5-minute candle at 10:15 Eastern time. Again, my name is Dr. Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University here in Las Vegas, Nevada. It was so good to be with you. On the delayed feed on YouTube, you're watching us in public delayed feed of our Forex Power Traders Scalping Club. And but if you have a seat with us, then you are getting us real time, and you're able to then you're not delayed, right? The trade opportunities are in real time. So if you would like to join us in real time, I guess my name disappeared, right? What was I on? Pound yen? Yeah, you can email me at greg@elitetradersu.com. Got another red candle, our 10:15 candle. was red, but not very big. Okay. So it's like a little bit of a runt. And that would be trade with Dr. Greg. Okay. You.com. Okay. See if this will work. All right. Moving sideways. Or EuroCAD is kind of pulled back. I'm trying to see if I can put my contact information. Oh, I know how to do it. I I'm a bright boy, right? Copy. And we have okay. We're back in the positive on our secondary gold trade. Oops. Oh, look at that. I'm smarter than the average bear. Hey, boo boo. Okay. All right, all right, all right.
Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell.
So I'm using $295 in margin, and I've got one, two, three positions on gold. I've got a candle break. We have two candle break of a trend line below our trend moving average. And our targets, we're looking at the 31.2355 area, looking for a drop. We have a tweezer top on the 30-minute chart. Doesn't matter of just stalking the currencies or stalking, waiting for your ideal entry. And let's see if this entry actually holds. Ooh, got the little green candle. Got a bearish oscillator cross. We had a nice, maybe like A leg down, maybe a B leg up, but looking for that C drop. And we needed to stay down in that 31.33 area. Long wick candles, kind of, buyers, it's more natural. I mean, after a big, strong move here, stacking green candles, it's kind of difficult to short. I mean, the momentum is positive, but our oscillators are overbought, and when when something is the most bullish, it's actually the time that's going to collapse, right? It's like the bears do it. I mean the bees, the birds and the bees, the birds do it, the bees do it, and the humans do it too. You get that the climax and prices, the highest point of ecstasy, and it right, and then it gives up and gets droopy again, right? And I don't family show, so I won't go into too many details, but you get the idea. And when this thing starts to drop, a blue pill isn't gonna help it, right? Friday night plans is not gonna help it. And Kenneth goes, "What's he talking about?" The room is silent. Come on, gold. I'm so used to gold being this, this. I mean, we've got some really early, very fast moves earlier on, and usually we go from high volatility to low volatility, right? To high volatility again. So hopefully we are early enough for a big high volatility move, and so we all can get paid a tremendous amount of money, right? Well, already positioned one of the positions up $2.30, which is nice. Another red candle, which is also nice. And I have mentorship available too. If you're interested in mentorship, email me at greg@elitetradersu.com. If you have any interest in being mentored by me, I have help you become a professional trader in 90 days or less using my proprietary pip and run strategy and approach. So, um, again, if you would like to learn how to trade from a 30-year, I've been doing this for 30 years, you know, 30 years, started back in 1995, trading yen futures contracts on the Chicago Board of Trade. And here I am. Best job in the world is being a trader, guys. Time, freedom, you know, do what you want to do, go where you want to go, buy what you want to buy, and live a life of freedom. So if you want to learn about that life of freedom and you want a practical way of doing that, in fact, I've had students get funded with prop trading accounts. In fact, we got a student here who received $75,000 in prop trading funds, and I have one student that passed 4 prop challenges, count them, 4 in one day, using my proprietary strategy. So I'm doing something different right now for Asia, but I have another strategy called Pip and Run, which is a very powerful strategy as well. It's really hard to pick. If people say, well, is this strategy better than Pip and Run? It's like, no, it's just different. It's something, I mean, Pip and Run all day long. This is, it makes money. I don't have any strategies that don't make money. Something just, there's an alert that went off. Something's dropping. Oh, that must have been the gold alert that went off, right? Now, how about you? I can turn that off. Oh, CAD yen. Okay. Let's take a quick look at CAD yen. He's probably getting ready to fall out off the bed too. Seems like the yen and gold go in the same direction or up. Really, when gold goes down, the yen goes up. I'm going to go ahead and turn these alarms off. These are all built in the MT4. No additional plugins needed. Just right click the chart, choose the trading menu, and choose alerts. They can get pretty annoying though. They keep chirping and chiming. So let's go. Let's go. Gold. Go for the gold. XAG or XAU, USD, MOUSC, right? Again, you can watch the delayed feed of our live trading Scalpers Club. And what's unique about scalping this way is I'm trading the Asia market, and many traders they don't like Asia because it's slow. It's hard to blow up during Asia, and when it starts moving, you really can catch some nice moves. But you have to be maybe on if you go to a lower time frame chart, probably get a little bit more action. Once I see I've got 5 minute reds, I can go down to the 1 minute, and we can see that so we got some action here, right? Layer one, B or two. We'd like to see a C or three later to see a big move to south side move. Had a little bit of maybe a tweezer bottom there. So we got our rally into another moving average. This is a polynomial regression channel. $31, $32. Thinking maybe we would at least retest the low and maybe extend. But let's see, we're getting a lot of struggle here. And ideally, I was looking away, but when this was like up $3, then we get $3, $4 in there. I would go ahead and click that out and re-enter. I just gotta keep my focus on one pair, but EuroCAD doesn't seem like it wants to cooperate. Yeah, we get another red candle here. Oh, it was almost red. Let's zoom on in. This should turn red, break the trend line. There you go. Dive. Drop. Just gotta break this level here, and that way we can get some follow through. Tweezer top, lower We have a high, a lower low, a lower high. It's crying, it's crying. But we need some more follow through there. There's 10:30 candle. There we go. We got our break. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, full body break below the supply line. There we go.
Don't buy. Don't buy. Don't buy. Sell, sell, sell.
$4. No, I'm gonna take my $4. I'm gonna take my $4. I'm gonna take my dollar right there too, right? This is I've got this one here. All right, so give me a little bit of reversal there. I'm not done with it though. I ain't done with you. Because we got no little bit of a little double bottom right there, pseudo double bottom right there. So people see double bottoms, they automatically start buying. Then so I'll let them have it. Go for it. Take it up. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. Come on. Oh yeah, that was a profit too. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. You're too kind, you know? Come on. Give me a green. I want a green, nice big green one. My Euro CAD's coming back. Go Euro CAD. You take a quick look at that. I mean, got lots of support. Our risk to reward. I mean, I think we can get the old ATR high, 155.31. I'm thinking we could do that because it's like lots of compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 or 5.5 hours of compression. Usually we get a compression like that, we get a big rally. In fact, the rally would be equal. We have equal symmetry. Whatever happened on that side, we look for the same thing that happened on the other side. A fast drop down, we look for a fast move to the upside. Right. All right, back to gold. Back. Okay. There we go. Go ahead. Reload. Go up. What comes up must come down. 31.47 by 80. 31 by was that 52.40? It's still so fast. 53 by 85. Forget it. Can't do it with gold. It moves too fast. Time you say the first number, the next number changes. Okay, trend line break. I'm gonna remove this trend line. Okay, we don't need no stinky trend lines. Let's go. I just want to move up so I can fade it. Let's see if this is our correction. Let me correct down. $31, 31.28. I think we still have another up push. I want to see price travel up this trend line. Come on. I wanted to go up so I could sell it. These guys, these were long red candles, and buyers stepped in and they pushed price to this consolidation. So they probably want to push it one more time. And then the sellers might be waiting for them. Right at that trend line there. Right. So maybe this will slam into that trend line and break back down. $10.37. So been going like an hour and 7 minutes. A little under an hour left for us to really get paid, right? It's kind of slow. What I can do is I can put an alarm on this and find something else to look at. Gold is kind of sneaky though. You walk away from it, it probably will do something crazy. So I'll just use this chart over here. Pound Kiwi is starting to rattle. 5 minutes gone up. That's fine. We want to see a reversal. Okay, that's the pound Kiwi. Kiwi CAD. Ooh, nice. Kiwi CAD. 5 minute Kiwi CAD. Let's look at the 1 minute Kiwi CAD. Is it worth? That's already dropped. Already dropped. The Kiwi Swiss. That's already dropped too. Oh, gold. Now gold. Gold says, what about me? Don't forget me. There we go. I put another one on, another piece of money on. Okay. I just went short in the same vicinity, looking for a price to maybe drop down to the 31.2895 area, which is an old level of support right here, this old swing low that we had. If we get back down there, let's see how much money would that be? Yeah, it's like $4. And we're in the money. Short and gold.
Sell, sell, sell.
Here we go. We want this to big gas, big push down. 618 Fibbo. Okay. Got an alarm going off. Let's see what that was. That was pound kiwi. Well, we're getting a little bit of a pound kiwi. We can do put a stop at I'm short pound kiwi at 2.2596 and put a stop loss at 2.2607. Oh, our gold shot up. I mean, it blew a lot of trend lines. Now we're hitting that top trend line. A little bit of a struggle there. And let's this is my modify the order. I'm going to take this stop 31.2288 and copy. I'm going to put those stop losses in here. It's kind of a quick and dirty way. Oops. Make sure I grab the right one. Stop loss, modify. Oh, the stop loss, copy, right? And then modify, and then I'm gonna put the stop loss there, and then modify and paste, modify and paste. Okay, we broke the trend line, which is not friendly. Like that's not nice. But there's this old trend line I left on the screen hit that trend line. Let's see if it's also a Fibonacci retracement. The 618 Fibonacci retracement is right here, 31, 33, 11. Oof. Oh, stop losses up there. I was trying to move this trend line over. Hand in the cookie jar. Oh, XAU 618. Shrinking violet. My pound kiwi. Let's see if we can grab the old low. That would give us about $5.66. Well, we could try the bottom retracement. This is the polynomial retracement there. Channel, the trend channel, right? Trend channel. Right. You got a long wick, right? You got a rejection candle. Let's see if that rejection holds. I'm going to put the gold back up in here. We can. Ooh, got a little bit of a pop fly, a little wick. $31.33.50. Good. Candle changed red. Okay. Go down. All right, here we go. Okay, let's just drop it. Come on down. There we go. Come on down. Time for the Price is Right. 31.30. Our Euro CAD is down only 20 cents. Our pound Kiwi down $1.26. And we're up about 2 cents on our gold trade. And I know we have an alert that went off too. Let's check that alert. And it was pound Kiwi, or we're already in pound Kiwi, so we can delete that. And I'll move this up so you guys can see where we are. We're up a whopping $2.60. Here we go. Here we go.
House of pleasure.
We're in the money on the trades that we entered on the pullback. We should be able to limit out on those. And like I said, you could, based on your account, you might be able to go a little bit larger in your position size. Looking for that big move, big bust move down. And in fact, we can take Fibonacci from the low. I know Keelan was asking about Fibonacci. No, there's no old high because gold's at its all-time high, right? Well, on the shorter time frames, you can look for pullbacks. And I mean, we have a nice juicy that was a really big take profit. Probably not get that tonight. But we could get that 38% retracement at the 31.25.33. And that give us $9.62. Came really close to our take profit at 31.30.05 or so. Didn't quite get there, and now we're getting a little bit of retracement. Right? Retrace. I can take one of these off. I can take $2.57 off, right? We have our 11 o'clock candle coming up in 6 minutes, and that should be a real riot there, right? Usually currencies and indices, any financial product seems to move on the hours, whether it's 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock or 4 o'clock. Those big round hours is what we usually see. So again, this is counter trend because gold isn't a super duper uptrend. And usually price gives you some type of a pullback to a 23% retracement or 38% retracement. So I'm seeing if we can hit some of that. I mean, we have, you look at what we've done so far, 854, 422. I mean, maybe this getting kind of warmed up here, right? First trading day of the week for us. So and we're trading in the MT4 platform, which is more like what most people are trading. Not very many people are trading TradingView. So I figured let's just go to MT4 and try to get my charts kind of set up in a way which will be most helpful to you. So I'm not trading this rally, but we are retracing. So let me I'm going to go to object list and show, oh no, control A and delete, right? And then I'm going to take a Fibonacci from this swing high to the low and see if that 618, we get a nice turnaround at that 618, and we could probably initiate some shorts there. But let's see if we can close something out. I mean, there is another break, trend line break. So we rallied up to the 50% retracement, and that's about all it could do. And then we got a reversal break. So let's go. Let's see if we can see a push down. Typical expansion target on this would be 100% expansions down here. And what's down here? Down here is 31, 28, 39 for the flag formation. So I'm gonna maybe take one of these that I've got a pair of them and then let one get a larger target. So in case it stops, well, at least we've got one off the table, and then we have a chance to try and get this bigger typical price target, the 100% expansion at 31.2839. Again, 31.2839. And I did initiate a new short 31.3105. And if I get over $2 or $3, I'm probably going to take it, right? Take some of it off. I'd like to see this support area, this 31.3005 has been like a real pain in the rear here, right? This little area right here. You need to bust through that, like drop. There we go. Yeah, man, I'll take a dollar there, take $1.50 there, maybe take $1.50 there, $1.36 there, like playing 56 cents, 62 cents. Okay, we can take that, right? Well, there we go. Look at that. Dollar. Finally broke through this area. Well, it got to the 100% expansion target, right? Well, it's starting to run, huh? I I want to get green before I jump back in again. How'd you guys do? You guys, I got Euro CAD left. I thought that was the gold left. It's moving like gold, right? Yeah, nice break there. I want to see some green. I'm gonna wait. What do we got? Oh yeah. Tweezer bottoms, and we did our correction or our correction, big correction. Let's see if she reverses back up. And you guys make any money? Okay. I'm going to try a long. So I got long at 31.29. And I'm going to see if this tweezer bottom holds to the to 31.79 or so. My year CAD's in the money too. Yeah, both of them, right? For like pennies, but we got a nice little move up on the on gold. We can try getting back in on that again. So kind of scalping, getting some small gains there. This is green. I'm probably want to wait for red. Okay, right to the 23% retracement. And it looks like we're getting going skyward, right? 5-minute chart still showing me red. It's a hard $26. Just getting used to again, if you want to trade with me and if you're not being delayed, if you're trying to follow along in YouTube, you're probably getting smoked because of the moves and the delay. There's about a 3 or 4 minute delay. Uh, but if you don't want to delay and you want to be in the VIP room with me and my fellow traders, then go ahead and email me, greg@elitetradersu.com, and I'll send you a subscription link, just $97. You can trade with me, and it'll be real time, so you'll get the trades right away. Okay. So again, I took the reversal off of the tweezer bottom. Not, I think we have one more shot down to the 38% retracement. 31.25.17. We have a green candle on the 5-minute. Just turned green. After a long wick down. Usually after a long wick is pretty bullish after the long wick. Long wick reversal. I'm not biting yet. I want to see some type of a pullback. Let the bears try to push it back one more time. Okay, there it is. You got the bear push, right? But let's see if they get smoked by the bulls. The bulls will come in and take it the other way. 31.29.76, 77 by 05. I'm teeing up for a buy. I might see if I see a green candle break of this trend line, I might enter for a long. And I might even maybe increase the position size a little bit. Maybe 0.03. There's my green candle. Okay. So I got my green candle. Let's see if we let's get the money. Let's go.
Bye, bye, bye!
There we go. There we go. 618. The 100% expansion, looking for 100%. Where are you? Where are you? 33. I'll take that. Right? I'll take that all day long. But went a little higher on that. There's a 618. Okay. Yeah, I probably let go of that one a little early. We got ABC correction against the trend. Let's see if we are. Get rid of this bad boy. Oh, oh no. I got rid of my Hakinashi, right? Template. Load. Oh, got a red. Okay, I've got a red candle. I'm short at 31.30, 39. And let's see if we can get on down. 32. Take profit at 31.27.33. Trend line break, color change. Let's see if we can make it happen. We got a little ABC. 1, 2, 3. Up to me. Take it down to 38% retracement. Actually, I want to get that 31.25.17. We had higher high, higher low, higher high, and we definitely want to see break of this low, this red candle low. Break 31.2958. We break that, then we open up all of this to the downside. How are you guys doing? Give me a 888 in the chat box if you're still alive. You're still awake. So quiet. Or if you're trading something else, let me know what you're looking at. By using MT4, it helps. Cool. Thank you. I got this another green candle on the 5 minute. Could spell trouble. Eleven 12 p.m. Eastern time. You're with Dr. Greg McLeod, Elite Traders University, and you guys are watching, if you're on YouTube, you're watching the delayed Forex Power Traders Scalpers Club. And for those who are subscribers, you got a front row seat, VIP, watching all the action, non-delayed. YouTube has like a 5 minute delay, so you might be, if you're trying to follow along the trades, you might not be doing so well. But hey, all winners, not bad, you know. $36, better than a sharp stick in the eye. But this is, I'm gonna build some consistency, build some confidence, and start going for some larger position sizes. This might be something that I should go long on instead of short. Like we have a flag, we might rally back at 31.3302. Got another minute before our next 5 minute candle. And that would hold the key. With our triangle, our little pennant breakout, is it going to be sustained? Or is it going to go the way of the dodo bird? Hey, we got our 11:15 candle. And it too was green. Let's put that stop in there. Oh, don't forget to stop. The stop loss is at 31.3365. Small body candle. Will it turn red? Red is traditionally the color for bears, for, Red is down, green is up. Has nothing to do with political affiliation. And there we go. Flip it red. Right to see. I would like to see a red 5-minute candle to really give me some confirmation. We got a red 1 minute. That's good. And we got two. And maybe I'll put two more slabs on the grill. See if we can get down to the 200 simple moving average at 31.2760. 61, 31.2761. And I probably want to do that for all the others too. Oh, same one. There we go. Got my stop in place. Which one was this one? 303, 330, right? Okay. Let's go. 38% retracement, 31.2517. There we go.
Sell, sell, sell.
I just exited all those trades, right? Sometimes I just trigger and get out, I just if I see indicators changing, I see moving averages getting in the way, right? If I see we don't break the low, I mean, we got a low right there. We didn't break the line. So I may say, look, we'll try again. See, it tried to break, then it rallies and it drops, and then it try. So it may try, it may go back and go green again. I can always get back in, right? I can always, right? I just don't want to hold it. I don't want my gain to turn to a loss. So just because you have a target doesn't mean the market cares about your target, right? So before it turns around, I want to just take my money. And this thing may actually turn green. All these are just flags. It's flagging. I said flag. Okay, that's not that's not what I meant. We have 9 minutes. Let's take a look at the pound kiwi. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, trend line break, color change. Perfect. Pound CAD. Pound is beating up on CAD. CAD getting myrtleized. He's myrtleized him. And then our Euro CAD is just so choppy and spiky. It's like a like a sea urchin. Kiwi dollar. Kiwi's really taking off. Look at that. 5 minute. Let's see. Anything? Ooh, nice too. Really, that's a really nice trend, right? Remember we talked about nice trends, stair stepping. Why was I looking at that? Yeah, take a look at the heat map, and well, that makes sense. Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, top of the heat map, right? Rocking and rolling. Um, the euro, that's just kind of like or pound. Those are kind of lagging behind. You think that those should rally. Here is our pound. We do have an uptrend on the pound on the 5 minute time frame. Uh, it's kind of let's go. Let's try its cousin pound yen, and pound yen did didn't really do much either. It kind of rallied and dropped. We got out of that. CAD yen. CAD yen did a nice little drop on the 5 minute. We drew the line. We were just doing other stuff, right? Uh, pound Swiss. I don't think we really saw anything on that. Maybe Aussie Kiwi. I never really trade that pair, but sometimes you get a nice setup. Nah, not today though. Aussie CAD. Ooh, look at that. That was that's still tasty. Yeah. Trend line break, color change. I'm I'm in it to win it. That is Aussie CAD. AUDCAD. I'm looking at okay, I'm in it. Oh, the spread's wide, like 2 pip spread. Okay, okay. I'm actually going to go for a point one. I need to go point one on this. This is the currency, not gold. Yeah, you want to trade a little bit larger on gold, right? I might put a 1.0 on that. Okay, let's see. So I'm using $749 in margin. That's a standard lot. So it's oh, oop, flashed red. Oof. Been going up for a while. Got an old trend It's been going up for a while. It's kind of like a little long in the tooth. Yeah, so you might want to, if you haven't done so, you might want to wait. You're not missing anything. In fact, we're getting very serious pullback here. I should. Where is just lots of. It does steep pullbacks and expansion. So let's see. 0.9007. Again, if you guys are watching, you're probably a little bit behind us. Maybe about 5 minutes, 5 minute delay. And yeah, watch Aussie Cat. It does have kind of a wide spread. 2 pips. 2 pips used to be a really good spread back in the day, but times have changed and the spreads have narrowed. And so, when currencies are giving you 0.01 pip spread, then that's an advantage you don't want to give up. But Aussie Cat, you have to adjust this because the spread's so wide on the 5 minute. So let's our low would be those that. So what about subtract 20 from that? The 90, 80, 83, 92, 89, 89, 92, 89, 92. That's like a 20 pip stop. So that is, I have 89.93. Modify. All right. I'm going to copy that. And I'm just going to put those in for all those. Modify. Just going to copy and paste. Now the spread's at the old high, but I need to, oops, no, put it over there. Let me get an error there. Okay. So let's look at the higher time frame chart and see what we can do is set for a yeah. Oh, that's not what I want to do. One over here. We'll lock that in anyway. We're coming to the end, actually. Actually, yeah. Ah. Always yeah, one more trade, right? And then it's the trade you get stuck on. This is actually moving in our favor. Trend line break. We just get the spread to overcome, right? And so I'm going to move this out of the way. We have an old high back here. The old high happens to be a spread, which is kind of silly, right? There is an ADR high of 90.24. So I'm going to shoot for that. And that would be 90.23.5 or 90.24, right? So I'm just going to copy that for those others, right? Because I'm not going to probably be watching it too much because I have some other business to take care of. But let's go ahead and pop that in there. And hopefully we get a good run. If it starts stalling out, though, feel free to bail. You start seeing lower highs and red candles. I like, chickens live to fight another day. But I was looking at really, the trend is that's an old trend. I mean, just because you've seen a bunch of stacking green candles. So this is will this have enough juice to get back, you know, above the spread, right? But but let's see, market's still going here, and you know, this is 0401 040125, right? Okay, let's do that. Save. And so this is what we did today, right? Not bad, right? 39 bucks. Again, we are where is our I have my calculator over here in it, and Windows just moves my stuff, Like, you should have it over here. It's like, no, Bill Gates, leave my computer alone. Right. So $39.14 divided by 5,000. All right. Eh. So probably what's that? 0.007%. All right. But this is basically, I know Kenneth had this question and of how I trade, and that's basically what I do. I just happen to have a $5,000 account, but if I had $100 account, I would trade it the same way, right? Right. So that's I got these are my floaters. Got $13 in floating loss right there, and but equity curve is moving up, and our relative drawdown 0, our maximal drawdown 0. Expected payoff 2.17. Took 18 trades. I think it's a good start. Okay. All right, guys. Let's take one last look at the market, see what everything's doing, and hey, it's going our direction, right? It's keeps on going. Maybe just break out to the north side. You know, this the spread's so wide. It's like if you had a narrower spread, would have been in the money already, right? So Aussie CAD, I'm going to remove Aussie CAD from my list. I'm going to cull my list. We'll probably get a little earlier tomorrow, like with 7 p.m. tomorrow, or 7 p.m. or it's tomorrow. Probably where you guys are, it's already tomorrow, but 7 p.m. on Wednesday, probably start pulling off currency pairs, which we have no business trading, and that way we can stay focused.
Hello, Dr. Greg.
Right.
Yeah, the EuroCard trade. Sorry, what's the stop loss?
One more time, 89.93.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, thanks for joining. Thanks, guys, to the room. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.